I'm a nurse, but also an animal lover, a cat mom at heart. My days are filled with alarms, responsibilities, and the quiet weight of caring for others. I give so much of myself in each shift, my focus, my patience, my empathy. Some days it feels heavy in ways words cannot fully explain. And when I step outside and find the cats in our facility, something in me softens. They remind me that care doesn't always have to be urgent or loud. Sometimes it's gentle, sometimes it's simply being present. In those moments, I remember that compassion is not just what I give at work, it's who I am. Being with them restores a part of me that long shifts can drain. And as I return inside steadier, calmer, and more of myself, this is how I protect my heart while continuing to care for others.